What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time since it's been really hot in Vegas, but today we get back on the videos and start making a lot of videos on the Mustang content and also the 1954 Mercury, because that one is gonna get an engine transplant from that 2014 Mustang GT50 Coyote. And if you're new to the channel, check out my other videos and you see it. Here is our current project that we've been working on. Everything is 100% done. Now we're just waiting for the paperwork. Once the paperwork gets here and we get to register it and we get to enjoy it. But today we are going to see if we can fix this beauty, because she's been dirty, she's been beaten by the sun, and we're gonna see if we can wash it and give it a wax and see if we can bring this color back to life. Yeah, definitely needs a paint. This will be done probably in the spring, but right now just trying to see if I can wash it and bring it up. Look at that. So we're gonna give her a wash and we're gonna bring her inside the garage and we are gonna give her full wax. The Beamer down there is just chilling, and that's the newest addition, along with the scooter. These things are so fun, man. Alright, so let's get to washing. Oh yeah, on the sad news, the 2003 Mustang GT convertible with 67,000 miles was sold, and I think it's got a great home, so let's get to washing. I think I will have to buy new wheels because the coat peeled off and it's gone, but in the meantime, this is my favorite thing to use on these tires. Not on the wheel as much because it will eat your clear coat. This is not what happened from this, but watch this. $4 something. Look at that. Insane how this thing works. Look at that. Literally like just dirt dripping off. Here is a better view, also a half-ass job. Talking about this paint. Here's the acrylic paint, when I should have just done the whole thing with the regular paint, but there you go. And this is the problem. Look how much it's flaking, same shit. That's really bad. So I'm gonna have to get this off and probably clear it my way. All the other ones are good. Like right here. Oh, look at this guy. This is where I hit it before with the polish, so that's why we're gonna polish it today right now. I don't think this is gonna come out, but we will try our best. see the roof right now. You can see the light and everything, how bad it is. And I'm gonna hit it with this Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. I'm using the orange pad. I do not know what finish or grit is, but I did it on the GT and that one came out good. Here is the brand if you really want to know. So orange pad, I'm gonna do it, time lapse it, and we're gonna see how it looks. All right, hit a little bit. I can tell you what, that's boring to do. I give props to all those people who did this, but it doesn't look bad, it doesn't look good. So paint is far too gone to be revived, but I do like how it's a little bit shinier than what really used to be. So I'll finish that side, hit up a couple more of these things, and I'll bring you back. I did what I did, but I mean, this is much better, but it's not great. This will fade out pretty soon. The roof, there's some shine to it, but you can still see like where the paint was fading. I did this side better. That side I did like half-assed, but I just don't have patience for it. This one I hit a little bit better, but it's not great. This one I didn't even bother. But yeah, so definitely we'll have to paint this car, because I'd rather paint it than do the polishing on it, because look how good this one came out. Look at that, see the clouds and everything. Absolutely stunning. And being 2002, still has a decent paint job on the sides, but the sun just ate the top. I will clean inside next. I will try to see how I can clean that, and I will take the car somewhere else just so I can do a nice walk around. Okay, that doesn't look bad. Have to clean the inside now. It is dusty. Alright, here's a quick walk around. We did clean it a little bit, we did polish it a little bit. This actually looks better than what it did look. Same thing on that side, and I did clean it inside. So she is super shiny and super clean. Absolutely beast of a car, and cute, pretty. She's a little bit of extra shiny, and it did actually start raining out of nowhere. And you can see the difference in the paint right now when the sun hits it, but if it is nice and cloudy, it's kind of hard to see different shade. But yeah, she is super good looking. I know it's not much, but thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out my other videos. We are going to be starting to build a 1954 Mercury with a Coyote swap, and then there's going to be other mods that I want to do to this car.